How to show subtitles for all calls on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show subtitles for all calls on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here and now click settings and then click this one calling and here click this one call subtitles. And here if you want subtitles for all calls, just click here, and as you see, show subtitles for all calls has been turned on. And if you want to turn it off again, just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.